How to poke someone on Facebook. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Facebook tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you not only how to poke someone on Facebook, but also show you how to see who has poked you within the Facebook app on an iPhone or Android phone. So they've actually kind of hidden the ability to poke people within the Facebook app. So in order to poke someone or see who's poked us, we need to first open the Facebook app on our iPhone or Android phone, and then select the search icon in the top of the app. Once here at the top, just search pokes and search that. And then the first result that comes up under all should be pokes. And then as you can see, it says poke your friends and see who has poked you. So select that. Then this will show you a list of all your friends. And this is only a test account, so I don't have a lot of friends. But as you can see to the right, you can select poke, and then that will poke that person. Additionally, if you have been poked by anyone here, you will see that and you can poke them back or interact with them accordingly. All right, so that's how you poke someone on Facebook. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Facebook tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.